Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find General Management. Now let's tap on Language and Input and tap on Language again. And here we've got the list of previously added languages. Now we've got only English applied. In order to add new one, simply tap on Add a Language, and as you can see here we've got the full list of the languages which are suggested by Samsung, so we can choose from a lot of options. Let me pick something, for example maybe this one. Now let's choose the region. And now we can decide if we want to keep the current language, so we will stick with English, or simply set the new one as default. So let me pick Set as Default. And as you can see, the whole menu, the whole settings have been changed to our new language. Now let me show you another way to change the language. If you want to swipe to, for example, English, then simply tap on it and hold it. And now we can hold it again and drag it to the very first position. Now let's get back. And as you can see, the language has been immediately changed. Now let me show you how to remove the language. Simply tap on Edit, click on the one you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Now let's click on Remove. And as you can see, it has disappeared and we've got only English right now. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.